Have you ever found yourself wondering why the universe goes to all the bother of existing? What compels it to be? It's a mind-bending question, one that takes us on a journey through the vast expanse of space and time. The universe, in all its complexity and grandeur, is a marvel to behold. It's a tapestry of galaxies, stars, and planets, woven together by the threads of physics and chemistry. But beyond its physical attributes, the universe raises profound philosophical questions. What's the reason for its existence? Is it the product of a unified theory so compelling that it brings about its own creation? Or does it require a divine architect? And if so, who or what created that architect? These questions have stirred the minds of scientists and philosophers for centuries. This question has intrigued and baffled both scientists and philosophers alike, and today we aim to delve into this enigma. Scientists have been more preoccupied with describing what the universe is than asking why it exists. Indeed, the scientific journey to understand the universe has been an adventure of unraveling mysteries, one theory at a time. We started with the Big Bang theory, which suggests that all matter, all space, and all time were once concentrated in a single point of infinite density, which then exploded into existence. This theory gives us a starting point, a cosmic zero hour, but it does not tell us why this singularity existed or why it chose to expand. Then we moved on to quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that deals with the smallest particles in the universe. It introduced us to a world where particles can be in two places at once and can pop in and out of existence from nothingness. It's a world that challenges our everyday perception of reality, and yet, it too does not answer why the universe exists. Next, we ventured into the realm of general relativity, where space and time are intertwined into a single entity known as space-time. It tells us that matter tells space-time how to curve, and space-time tells matter how to move. It's a beautiful dance, a cosmic ballet. But the music playing in the background is still the unanswered question, why? Finally, we arrived at string theory, a theory that proposes that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are not particles, but tiny, vibrating strings of energy. It's a theory that has the potential to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity, to create a theory of everything. It's a theory that could explain what the universe is, but not why it is. While these theories bring us closer to understanding the mechanics of the universe, they still don't answer the fundamental question, why? As we continue our exploration, we seek not just to describe the universe, but to understand why it went to all the bother of existing in the first place. On the other side of the coin, philosophers have been grappling with the why without being able to keep pace with scientific advancements. Philosophy, the ancient discipline of questioning and understanding the fundamental nature of the world, has long wrestled with the concept of existence. Philosophers have pondered upon questions such as, why is there something rather than nothing? And what is the purpose, if any, of the universe? The idea of a creator or divine entity is one philosophical theory that has been proposed to explain the existence of the universe. The notion that a supreme being, beyond our comprehension, brought the universe into existence is a concept that has found favor among many. Yet, this raises another question: who or what created this divine entity? This is a classic conundrum often referred to as the problem of the first cause. It leads us into an infinite regress where each answer only leads to another question. Another philosophical approach is existentialism, which suggests that the universe simply is, without inherent meaning or purpose. Existentialists argue that it is up to each individual to create their own purpose within this vast, indifferent cosmos. However, philosophical theories, by their very nature, are not empirically testable. They can't be proven or disproven through observation or experiment, which is a cornerstone of the scientific method. This lack of empirical evidence is a significant limitation of the philosophical approach to explaining the existence of the universe. Moreover, philosophical theories often rely on abstract reasoning and metaphysical assumptions that may not align with our current scientific understanding of the universe. These challenges make it difficult to reconcile philosophical and scientific perspectives, and they underscore the need for a comprehensive theory that can bridge this gap. Thus, the philosophical approach, while critical, doesn't fully answer our question either. In the end, the quest to understand why the universe exists continues to be a profound journey, traversing the realms of both science and philosophy, and challenging the limits of human knowledge and reason. So, is there a unified theory so compelling that it brings about its own existence? This question, my friends, brings us to the idea of a unified theory. But what exactly is this? Well, in layman's terms, a unified theory, also known as a theory of everything, is a hypothetical, single, all-encompassing, coherent, theoretical framework of physics that fully explains and links together all physical aspects of the universe. Now, you might be wondering, how can a theory bring about its own existence? That's a great question. The idea here is that if a unified theory is so complete, so perfect, it would essentially explain its own existence. It would be a self-creating, self-sustaining entity, not dependent on anything else. It's a mind-bending concept, isn't it? But where are we now in terms of finding this unified theory? Well, despite the best efforts of some of the finest minds in the world, we're still in the process of piecing the puzzle together. We've made significant strides in understanding the universe, with theories like quantum mechanics helping us grasp the behavior of the smallest particles, and general relativity giving us a framework for understanding the universe on a grand scale. But a theory that seamlessly merges these two realms still eludes us. The quest for a unified theory is much like trying to translate between two languages without a common dictionary. We know each language is describing the same reality, but we can't quite find the words to bridge the gap. But just imagine if we did find this theory. It would be the ultimate Rosetta Stone of the universe, allowing us to read and understand the universe as a whole. We'd finally be able to answer why the universe exists, why it behaves the way it does, and perhaps even why we exist. If such a theory were discovered, it would be a triumph of human reason, but we're not there yet. So, for now, we continue our quest, ever hopeful that one day we will unlock the secrets of the universe and truly understand the mind of the cosmos. If we had the answer to why the universe exists, would we then know the mind of God? Let's delve into this captivating idea. What if, by comprehending the existence of the universe, we could somehow grasp the thoughts of a divine entity or creator? It's a concept that sits intriguingly at the intersection of science and spirituality. In the realm of science, we often think of explanations as being rooted in physical phenomena, governed by laws and principles. Yet when we contemplate the universe's existence, we're nudged towards a more philosophical perspective, one that invites us to consider notions beyond the tangible and the observable. This idea of knowing the mind of God is not about endorsing or rejecting any particular religious belief. Rather, it's about acknowledging that our quest to understand the universe could lead us to insights that resonate with what many perceive as divine. It's about the awe and wonder that science itself can inspire, a sense of marvel that some might describe as a spiritual experience. Imagine for a moment knowing the mind of God as understanding the grand design, the blueprint of the universe. It's like having a cosmic recipe, knowing what ingredients were needed and how they were mixed and stirred to create this vast cosmic concoction we inhabit. But let's remember, in the grand scheme of things, our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy. We are like children gazing at the stars, slowly starting to comprehend the awe-inspiring cosmos that sprawls before us. The quest to understand the universe and our place in it is akin to a spiritual journey. It's a search for meaning, a pursuit of knowledge, a longing to understand the very fabric of our existence. And perhaps, in this quest, we may touch upon something that feels akin to the divine, the profound, the transcendent. While this concept is evocative, it remains a matter of personal belief and interpretation. So, we return to our original question: why does the universe exist? We've journeyed through the cosmos, delved into the mind-boggling theories of existence, and pondered the philosophical musings that have echoed through time. The complexity of the universe and our existence within it is a riddle that continues to challenge the brightest minds. Science has given us a framework, a unified theory that attempts to explain the mechanics of our reality. But does it explain the why? Or is there a creator, an entity that sparked this cosmic dance into existence? And then there's the philosophical approach, a quest for meaning that transcends the physical, reaching into the abstract realm of thought and consciousness. This journey, this pursuit of knowledge, is a testament to the power of human curiosity. While we may not have a definitive answer, the quest to understand why we in the universe exist is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge.